No mention of Antichrist or tribulation events. Ezekiel's account doesn't reference the Antichrist, the mark of the beast, or other tribulation-specific events. This absence leads many to conclude it happens before those events unfold. 7-year cleanup. Ezekiel 39 verse 9 says Israel will spend 7 years burning the weapons of war. If this war happened during or at the end of the tribulation, there wouldn't be time for a 7-year cleanup before the millennial kingdom begins. This timeline fits better if the war happens before the tribulation starts. God's direct intervention. Unlike Armageddon, where Christ returns physically, the Gog War features divine judgment through natural disasters, earthquakes, hail, fire, and confusion among the invaders. This suggests a distinct event, not the final battle. Signs that resemble the Gog War formation. Rising anti-Israel coalitions. The ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict and Iran's growing influence in the region have led many to ask whether we're witnessing the early stages of the Gog alliance. End-time prophecy is God's revelation, but our understanding of it is often filtered through a stained glass window, beautiful, but not yet perfectly clear. As Paul said, we see through a glass, darkly. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 12. Because of that, every timeline, interpretation, or explanation offered here is given with reverence, care, and submission to the authority of Scripture. The Bible is infallible, our interpretations are not. This teaching is presented to inform, warn, and prepare, not to claim absolute certainty about every detail. Where Scripture speaks plainly, we stand boldly. Where Scripture leaves mystery, we walk humbly. The goal is simple: to point you to Christ, to stir discernment, and to help you watch and be ready.